Hi, and welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for June 2017. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the broker owners at More Realtors, and if you'll give me about 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. Before we get started, though, I want to share with you information about our STL Market Data App. Yes, you can have data just like I have here in your hand, in the palm of your hand on your iPhone or your Android. You can get the iPhone app by going to the App Store and search St. Louis Real Estate. Look for the little icon here, the White House with the red roof. Or you can go to Google Play and search STL Market Data and then download the STL Market Data, and you'll be just like me. You'll have data for the St. Louis housing market at your fingertips. Let me show you how it works here. So this is on the iPhone. When you open the app, it'll identify the area you're in and show you, there you go, current live market data for the zip code you're in. Home sales for the past 12 months, home prices, inventory, everything. Or you can hit the menu and you can select an area by county, zip code, or city, and you can look at single family home data or condo data. There you go, St. Charles County, just like that. So be sure to get that, check it out. All right, now let's get started with our update. All the market data I'm going to show you is for what we call the St. Louis County or St. Louis core market, which is the 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis County, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and Franklin County. This first chart I'm going to show you, something that's exclusive to us. It's our STL market charts. It shows the home prices. The red line's the median sales price. Green line's the median list price. The kind of teal line there would be the number of homes sold. This is for the past 24 months for that 5-county core market. Now, the red vertical line in the center shows you a year ago, just so you can kind of compare where things were a year ago to now. Let me draw some lines here, and this will help. Looking at the 2-year period, you can see the median sales price. The trend has been upward. Pretty steady, nice trend there, kind of a sustainable trend. Home sales, you can see actually trend over the last 2 years is downward slightly, probably being impacted by the lack of inventory. Now let's just look at the last year. I'm going to draw a line here for home sales, sales prices for the past year. A little flatter there, a little bit of an upward trend, but a little flatter. And for home sales for the past year, kind of flat, just maybe a tad bit down. So a lot of this is probably driven by inventory. Not bad information at all or bad data, but does show the trend weakening a little bit here. Now we're going to look at our something else that's exclusive to More Realtors, STL Market Reports. And this is for the 5-county area as well. This is a real accurate way to look at the market because we look at the last 12 months, in this case ending the end of last month, May 2017, compare it with the prior 12 months, so a whole season, and see how it's doing. And you can see for the 5-county area there, home sales are up for the 5-county area a little over 5%. And the median price of homes sold up a little over 5% as well. Those are both good numbers. Nice growth, but not too much. We can see the current house pricing trend on a price per foot basis, which is the most accurate way to do it, slightly downward. Look down toward the bottom there, we can see there's a 2.38 month supply of homes on the market. Still a very low supply of homes, and definitely still seller's market. Now we're going to see months supply of homes for sale by county, and basically a 6-month supply would be kind of a balanced supply, not favoring sellers or buyers. You can see none of the counties we're looking at here, or the MSA for that matter, are even close to 4 months. Franklin County would be the closest, to 6 months. Franklin County would be the closest at 4.3. Most of them are in the 2-month range, including the 5-county area, 2.38. The whole St. Louis metro area, 2.63. So inventory is still very low, which, speaking of that, if you're thinking about selling it all, please contact us now at More Realtors. We can sell your home quickly for maximum dollars, and also save you a little money on the commission too. So now let's go back to pricing though. Here's our price per foot trend by county. Again, price per square foot is the most accurate way to really put apples to apples on when you're comparing things. And you can see overall the trend's downward a little bit. Nothing dramatic, but just slightly downward. Now let's look at these top sellers markets. Rock Hill's at the top, Crestwood number 2. Crestwood's been up at the top of the list for some time. But you can see when you look over to the right, the top 4 all have less than a 1-month supply of homes for sale. Well, actually, the next 2 only have a 1-month supply. I mean, these are ridiculously low inventory numbers. If you own a home in one of these areas listed here and you've given it a thought at all about selling, now would be the time to jump on it. Why wait? It's not going to get better than this in terms of not having competition. Now, at the other end of the spectrum, for you bargain hunters, investors, whatever, bottom fishers, there are a few buyers markets. This is, in fact, every one of them. Only 9 on the list here, I think. And you can see that this is based upon the month's supply of inventory they have. Burns Mill, 13-month over a year supply. Breckenridge Hills, 11-month supply, and so on. With the lowest one on the list being Frontenac at a 6.2-month supply. So there are a few buyers markets out there. They're pretty scattered and far and few between. Hey, be smart when it comes to buying or selling a house. First off, contact us at More Realtors to make sure you get a full-time, professional, dedicated realtor that takes this stuff serious. But second thing you want to do is get our Smart Guide. We have a Smart Guide to Buying Your Home. You can get that at smartguidetobuyingyourhome.com. We have a Smart Guide for selling your home too, smartguidetosellingyourhome.com. Now this is not some canned garbage like you get from frequently from realtors, where it's just some packaged up stuff that they have paid for and it's being shipped out, stick their name on it. No, these are guides that we have created from scratch. Using our own information and our data, as well as tapping the resources of a lot of professionals, home inspectors, contractors, staging people, all of that, mortgage people, and pack this. So these are great guides. Go to smartguidetobuyingyourhome.com, smartguidetosellingyourhome.com. You can check it out online, or you can download them, or let us know. We'll be happy to mail them to you. They're really nice, full-color magazines. Also, when you're searching for homes for sale, or you're searching for information on selling your home or on buying a home, or you want sold price data, go to stlouisrealestatesearch.com. We are St. Louis's favorite website. Ask us to prove it. We've got it. Matter of fact, you can go to our website and it'll show you the data to show you where, in fact, St. Louis's favorite real estate search site, as well as St. Louis's best real estate search site. So go to stlouisrealestatesearch.com. You won't be sorry. Also, what else here? Oh, and also at the top there, you'll see we've got an 800 number. You can reach real live realtors to answer your questions at any time, or click on the little friendly guy in the lower right-hand corner there. We've got live chat, not quite 24 hours a day, but a whole lot of hours during the day. And you can, and that's manned by myself sometimes, or a licensed professional, not a overseas call center. So you can get some good info and get it quick. All right, find the value of your home online in under a minute. Go to stlouishouseprices.com. That's stlouishouseprices.com. Also, if you're interested in open houses, go to St. Louis's favorite open house site, stlouisopenhouses.com. stlouisopenhouses.com. We got everything that's going to be open this weekend. Oh, thinking about selling your house yourself? Oh, this market's so easy. There's so low of inventory, all that stuff. No, don't do it. I'm not saying it because I'm a realtor, because I'm a very blunt, to the point one. I tell the truth even when it doesn't sound good for realtors, but I'm telling you it'd be a mistake. Go to don'tsellfsbo.com, don'tsellfsbo.com to find out why. And if you're a buyer thinking you're going to save money buying FSBO, you need to check out don'tbuyfsbo.com. Okay, that's it. Thank you for being here. And there's our phone numbers you can call. You can call me at 314-332-1012, or hit any of our websites. Contact us through the websites. You can get us. And till next month, thank you and God bless you.